Hi, my name is Rahul Nair. I'm a seasoned HR professional with little over 6 years of experience in HR business partnering, compensation benefits, and corporate social responsibility. I started my career off as a management trainee and have been involved in various COEs in the HR domain. And throughout my experience, I've always been curious about coaching as a competency and also as an art and science. And when I heard that you could actually become a professional coach and help your organization, or could take it up as a career opportunity later, I was actually in search of good institutes that could give me the code specific hours, which can be added to obtain my ACC credential backed by ICF. And that is how I came across Abhyudaya Global Coach Circle. Abhyudaya, definitely before reaching out to them, I had heard good reviews about them, and that is how I happened to connect with Jaya over LinkedIn. And she did take me through the entire process, the entire pedagogy and curriculum, and explained how this will help and how this is going to kind of be really useful and effective given that we are still in the pandemic situation and it had to be done virtually. So uh, I had my own say reservations about doing this course virtually, but the way Abhyuday has planned out the entire curriculum, it really helped. A special mention to our facilitator, Mr. K.R. Chandran, who, with his professionalism and his experience as an executive coach, helped us go through the course in a very seamless fashion. The entire module and the entire curriculum was pretty seamless throughout the 4 months that we did this course. And it started in the month of February, ended in May. It was a good pedagogy that the Abhyudaya team followed. And I would recommend this course to any budding, aspiring coach who wants to take up coaching seriously and who's eyeing for the ICF credentials. I would once again, like to express my gratitude, thank the cohort which took up the course along with me. If it was not for Jaya, the Abhyudaya team, uh, our facilitator, Mr. K.R. Chandran, and my cohort, this wouldn't have been an easy journey. It's because of their support and guidance that I could actually finish my foundation course, and now I'm aspiring to get my ICF credentials. So anyone who's wanting to take up coaching seriously and is looking for a foundation course, look no further. Abhyudaya is definitely the place where you would want to get your foundation course done. Thank you, Team Abhyudaya, once again for the enriching and uh, fulfilling journey, if I may say so. Thank you.